Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you 5-minute neck stretches to relieve your neck pain. So let's get started. My name is Deepthi and our channel aims to motivate people for a fit and healthy lifestyle. So before doing any stretches, it is very important that you warm up the muscles. So for the neck, before doing any neck stretches, the warm up exercises would be just looking up and down, rotating right and left, bending your neck on the sides, last but not least, you're gonna shrug your shoulders up and down and circle them clockwise and anti-clockwise. So now let's jump on to the first stretching exercises. So the very first stretching exercise, you're gonna place your one hand just below your hip, or if you're not comfortable this way, you can put it at the end of your chair or a table so that your shoulder is at a low level. Then you're just gonna put your other hand on the head and stretch it to the opposite side. You have to hold this stretch for 30 seconds. So you can make a count of 30 seconds or you can use a timer. Hold and then relax. In the very next, you're gonna do this, you're gonna repeat the same. So you're gonna place your hand just under your hip or you're gonna place it down so that your shoulder is at a lower level. Repeat same on the other side. Hold for 30 seconds and relax. In the very second stretch, you're gonna place your hand at the back of your head so that your elbow is pointing towards the sky or towards the ceiling. And then you're just gonna look on the opposite side, place your hand on the head and just bend down. So it will give a nice stretch to the back of your muscles of the neck. Make sure that your nose is pointing toward your opposite knee. So similarly, you're gonna hold it for 30 seconds. Relax. Get your hand down. Same way, you're gonna again make sure that your elbow is pointing upwards. You're looking on the opposite side, that your nose is pointing to the opposite knee. Place your hand on the head and just give a gentle stretch. Do not overstretch. Hold it for 30 seconds. If you're not comfortable placing your hand at the back, you can place it like this. Or you can just leave it down, whichever way you are comfortable. Now, the third stretching exercise is for the front muscles of the neck. So you're just gonna place a hand at the base of your neck and rotate it towards opposite side. Look upwards. Hold it for 10 seconds. Get it back and relax. So when you're gonna place your hand at the base of the neck, you're just gonna pull it a little down like this. Rotate, look upwards. So the muscles which are constantly getting tight because of this working posture will be relieved. Now, two more stretches are left. So, by using a napkin or a towel, we can do two more stretches that I'm gonna demonstrate now. So, you're just gonna place the towel at the back of your neck like this. Okay, so you're gonna put it like this on your shoulders. You're gonna hold one side with the opposite hand and you're gonna take the other end towards upwards like this, towards your ear. Okay, not on the cheek or not on the neck. You're just gonna take it upwards towards the ear. And now, along with the towel, from the right hand, you're gonna just pull it down. With your left hand, you're just gonna rotate it. Hold this stretch. Do not overstretch. Do not choke. And then relax. Same way, again, I'm going to hold one end with the opposite hand, which I'm going to pull down, and the other end upwards toward the ear, and I'm going to help and rotate my neck along with the towel. Hold it for 30 seconds and just get it back. So now in the next stretch, again you're going to take a napkin, put it at the neck, the back of the neck, get it from the ears towards a little upwards like this, and you just gonna chin tuck, relax. So then it will be stretching the towel forwards and pushing the neck back. So before performing any of these stretches, make sure that you are consulting a health care professional, and if you have vertigo, dizziness or any kind of problem, make sure that it is not increasing with these exercises. If you feel any discomfort with any of this, just make sure that you stop these exercises.